ओम शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ओम श्री महागणपतये नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम नमः प्रणवार्ताय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Okay. Shiva, did you practice or?
Yeah, I did practice.
You were not there in the first class.
I practiced.
Indivar also was not there.
Mute. You are in mute.
Yeah, so sorry. Yeah, last week I was not there because there was a puja at home, Anusham puja. So I probably have to listen once.
Yeah. Okay. Let's hear then. We think we finished up to Tanuna Arm, right?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let's chant once up till there. Om Jatavedase Sunavama Soma Marati Yato Nidahati Vedaha Sanaf Parshadati Durkani Vishwanaveva Sindhun Duritat Agnihi Kamagnivarnan Tapasa Jwalanti Vairochanim Karma Paleshu Jushta Durgaan Devi Sharanamaham Prapadye Sutarasitarase Namaha Agne Tvam Parayanavyo Asman Swasti Virati Durgani Vishwa Uscha Prithvi Bahulana Urvi Bhava Tokayatanaya Yashayo Vishwanino Durgaha Jata Vedas Sindhunna Nava Duritati Varshi Agne Atrivan Manasa Grunano Osmakam Bhotya Vitatanunam. Indiva, did you practice?
Yeah, I can try. I will call it. Om Jatavedase Sunavama Soma Jatavedase Sunavama Somarati Yato
Marati. Slow, go slow. Just go slow.
जातवेदसे सुनवामसो मरातीयतो निदहाति वेदः
Wait.
स नः
Soma Marathiyato. It has to be.
सोम मरातीयतो
Marathiyato. Soma
सोम
Marathiyato.
सोम मरातीयतो निदहाति वेदः स नः पर्षददिति दुर्गाणि विश्वा नावेव सिन्धुं दुरिताच्चग्निः तामग्निवर्णां तपसा ज्वलन्तीं वैरोचनीं कर्मफलेषु जुष्टाम् दुर्गां देवीगुं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये सुतरितरसे नमः
Tarasitarase Namaha.
सुतरसितरसे नमः
Sutarasitarase Namaha.
सुतरसितरसे नमः अग्ने त्वं पारयानव्यो अस्मान् स्वस्तिभिरति दुर्गाणि विश्वा ऊश्च पृथ्वी बहुला न उर्वी भवा तोकायतनयाय संयोः विश्वानि नो दुर्गः जातवेदः सिन्धुन्न नावा दुरितातिपर्षि. Until that one only, right?
Up to Tanuna, but you have to practice a bit. Little.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I just heard and that's right.
Let's see one those are practiced. Last week, Krishnan tried.
ॐ जातवेदसे सुनवामसो मरातीयतो निदहाति वेदः स नः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा नावेव सिन्धु दुरितात्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णां तपसा ज्वलन्तीं वैरोचनीं कर्मफलेषु जुष्टाम् दुर्गां देवीगुं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये सुतरसितरसे नमः अग्ने त्वं पारयानव्यो अस्मान् स्वस्तिभिरति दुर्गाणि विश्वा ऊश्च पृथ्वी बहुला न उर्वी भवा तोकायतनयाय शय्योः विश्वानि नो दुर्गः जातवेदः सिन्धुन्न नावा दुरितातिपर्षि अग्ने अत्रिवन्मनसा गृणानो अस्माकं बोध्यविता तनूनाम्.
Okay. Sindhun sanah parshadati durgani vishwa naveva sindhun duritat yagnihi. And yeah, tamagnivarnan तामग्निवर्णान् तपसा ज्वलन्तीं वैरोचनीं कर्मफलेषु जुष्टां. Sunita ji tried.
ॐ जातवेदसे सुनवामसो मरातीयतो निदहाति वेदः स नः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा नावेव सिन्धुन् दुरितात्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णान् तपसा ज्वलन्तीं वैरोचनीं कर्मफलेषु जुष्टाम् दुर्गां देवीगुं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये सुतरसि तरसे नमः अग्ने त्वं पारयानव्यो अस्मान् स्वस्तिभिरति दुर्गानि विश्वा पूश्च पृथ्वी बहुला न उर्वी भवातोकाय तनयाय शय्योः विश्वानि नो दुर्गः जातवेदः सिन्धुन्ननावा दुरितातिपर्षि अग्ने अत्रिवन्मनसा गृणानोऽस्माकम् अग्ने अत्रिवन्मनसा गृणानोऽस्माकं बोध्यविता तनूनाम्
Yeah. And the first Agne Tvam Paraya, that one, and this Agne sounded same. The first Agne goes down, this one Gne goes up, right?
Yeah.
Agne Tvam Paraya Navyo, like that, right? And this what is it? Okay, and then Asmant, that Asman Swastibhrati, you rushed there. Everything you were doing slow, there you rushed suddenly. That speed you picked up. If you're doing everything fast, then that can go fast. Right? Agne tvam paraya navyo asman swasti bhirati durgani vishva uscha prithvi bahulana urvi bhava tokaya tanaya yashayyo Vishwanino Durgaha Jata Vedas Sindhunna Nava Duritati Varshi Agne Atrivan Manasa Grunano Osmakam Bodhyavita Tanunam. Like, Shiva, did you practice? Do it.
Om Jatavedase Sunavamaso Mamaratiyat.
Oh, Jata Vedase sounded same. Jata Vedase. When learning, you can way is going up, so put an emphasis. That doesn't matter. As if your volume also you can increase if you want, even though.
Jatavedase Sunavamaso Mamaratiyat Nidahati Vedaha Sanak Parshadati Durgani Vishwa Naveva Sindhun Dhuritatyagnihi Tamagnivarnam Tapasa Jwalamtim Vairochanim Karma Faleshu Justam Durgam Devigum Sharanamaham Prapadye Sutarasi Tarase Namaham Agne Tvam Parayanavyo Asman Swasti Bhirati Durgani Vishwa Uscha Prudvi Bhutana Urvi Avato Kaya Tanaya Yashayya Vishwanino Durgaha Jata Vedas
Vishwanino Durgaha
Jata Vishwanino Durgaha Jata Vedas Sindhunna Nava Duritat Parshi Agne Atrivan Manasa Grunano Smakam Bhojavita Tanunaham.
More practice is required.
Okay.
And that matra you have to take care. Matra, you remember in the first class? Matra, what is matra? What is matra? Matra balam. You remember that? Length. The length of
Duration of
pronunciation of matra is only for vowels, right? Only for, of course. And for vyanjanas, there is only always half matra. It doesn't have matra. If at all it has, it is half matra. That's k, k, right? And when you add the vowel ka, right? Ka, ka. So it's always swara yukta vyanjanas only has, only swaras have the matra actually. So we add the swaras to vyanjanas, and then like ka, ka, kiki, kuku, krukru, kruk, crow, krum, kraha, kre, kre, croak, right? So only those, when you add the swara, it has the duration. So the short ones, long ones, short one has one. The length of time is is one. And for the long ones, Dirgha swara, it is 2. Right? And Pluta is 3. 3 lengths of time. So only that we don't use much. Hey Ram, when you call somebody, use the Pluta, right? But here only those 2. Remember, 1, 2. Okay. Prakash, did you practice?
Yes, I practiced.
Okay, let's hear.
Om Jatavedase Sunavama Soma Marati Yato Nidahati Vedaha Sana Parshadati Durgani Vishwa Naveva Sindhun Duritatagnihi Tamagni Varna Tapasa Jalantim Vairochanim Karma Falesha Justa Am Durgam Devi Gum Sharanamaham Prapadye Sutarate
Durgan. Take your time. You're rushing, I think. Durgan Devi Gum
Sharanamaham Prapadye Sharanamaham Prapadye Sutara Sitarase Namaha
Sitarase Namaha.
Sitarase Namaha.
Take your time. We'll go slow. Agnetvam
Tvam Parayanavyo Asman Swasti Bhirati Durgani Vishwa.
After Navyo, a little gap. Agnetvam Parayanavyo Asman Swasti Bhirati.
Agni Tvam Parayanavyo Asman Swasti Bhirati Durgani Vishwa. Puscha Prithvi Bahula Na Urvi Bhavato Kaya Tanayaya Shayyo Vishwani No Durgaha Jataveda Sindhun Nanava Duritati Parshi Agne Atrivan Manasad Gurnano O Swakam Bodhyavita Tanuna Am.
Okay, what can be corrected here? Anybody? Nobody wants to advise anything?
No, I was practicing. I didn't hear. Sorry.
Okay, you can hear others.
You tell Chandraji.
Same thing. You should not rush and take your time in pronouncing the syllables. Om Jata Vedase. I think I had Jata Vedase Sunavama, and then you are holding it and then trying to release it. So those things you have to work on. Sunavama Soma. and then you're holding along some way, some places you're holding too long, some places you're going fast. Yeah, that will come by practice anyway. I think that you have to work on that. If you try just one line slowly, Jata Vedase Sunavama Soma. Try that.
Om Jata Vedase Sunavama Soma.
Jata Vedase.
Jata Vedase.
Jata.
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 Jata Ve.
Jata Vedase.
Jata Ve.
Jata Ve.
Jata Vedase.
Jata Vedase.
Take that. Now it was fine. So when you're doing it separately, that it has to sound like that. How you put Jata Vedase, like that. You should not go Jata Vedase Sunavama. Fine, but then you have to come to that that type of chanting where you take your times, pronounce the syllables properly before you go to the next one. Jata Veda. Slow, go slow. By learning, slow is good. Be slow. Sumanaji, do you want to chant?
Yeah, I haven't attended the last class.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Fine. So I thought you heard it. Okay. Maybe you didn't know.
Yeah, I'll try the first one.
Okay.
Om Jata Vedase Sunavama Soma Marati Yato Nidahati Vedaha.
Nidahat. Okay. You
Nidahati
need to practice. You need to first listen. Yeah. But I'll send you the video maybe. Okay.
Tadati Durkani Vishwanaveva Sindhum Duritatyagnihi.
Swaras. Naveva Sindhun. Naveva Sindhun.
Okay.
Na going down, va going down. You have Telugu script?
Yeah, I have Telugu script.
It is okay. The swaras are marked correctly, right?
Yeah, I think they are that single lines and underline and double line there.
Right, horizontal.
Sindhum. Okay.
Sindhun. You can say na should come. Sindhun na. Sindhun.
Sindhun Duritatyagnihi. Yeah.
Okay. We'll continue. Then we'll see if we have time to practice more. Pritanajitak, right? Pritanajitakam sahamana mugramagnigam huvema paramat sadhastaat. Pritanajitakam sahamana mugramagnigam huvema paramat sadhastaat. Okay, Indivar, you do, I'll split it. Pritanajitakam. Try that.
Pritanajitakam.
Your audio is not clear.
I think there is a disturbance in the line today. I'm also having the same problem when you speak. Let me dial out and then dial in again.
Is everybody able to hear?
Yeah. Is it only me or others also having the same problem when?
Yeah, I think yours only.
Okay, Krishna, try it. Pritanajitakam.
Pritanajitakam. Pritanajitakam sahamana
mugramagnigam.
Pritanajitakam sahamana
सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम्
सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम्
पृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम्
पृतनाजित पृतनाजित पृतनाजितगुम् पृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम्
हुवेम
हुवेम
पृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम् हुवेम
पृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम् हुवेम
पृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम् हुवेम
पृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम् हुवेम
परमात्सधस्तात्
परमात्सधस्तात् परमात्सधस्तात् परमात्सधस्तात्
परमात्सधस्तात्
परमात्सधस्तात्
पृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम् हुवेम परमात्सधस्तात्
पृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम् हुवेम परमात्सधस्तात्
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 पृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम् हुवेम परमात्सधस्तात्
पृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम् हुवेम परमात्सधस्तात् पृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम् हुवेम परमात्सधस्तात् पृतनाजितगुम् सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुम् हुवेम परमात्सधस्तात्
Right. Sunita ji, right.
पृतनाजितगुं सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुं हुवेम परमात्सदस्तात् पृतनाजितगुं सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुं हुवेम परमात्सदस्तात्. Shall I take one more try? पृतनाजितगुं सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुं हुवेम परमात्सदस्तात्
सधस्तात्
सधस्तात्
पृतना going down, right? पृतनाजितगुम् पृतनाजितगुम्
पृतनाजितगुं पृतनाजितगुं सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुं हुवेम परमात्सदस्तात्.
Try it in the one.
Prutanajitagum.
Slow.
That na also has to go down.
Yeah.
Or not?
Yeah, all the three. Prutana. Down. Prutana. Yeah.
That na has to go down. Sahamana mugram agnigum huvema paramasthadastat Prutanajitagum sahamana mugram agnigum huvema paramasthadastat
Huvema.
Huvema paramasthadastat
Paramat. Paramat sadhastat.
Okay. Paramat sadastat. So we need to split the word there, is it?
No,
Paramat and
no, don't split it.
not.
Paramat, Paramat, little bit
Okay.
it is combined with that sa. Paramat sadhastat. Just like the
Paramat
other one.
sadastat.
Asman swasti bhirati. Asman swasti bhirati. Like same, similar to that.
Okay. Paramat sadastat. Uvema paramat sadastat. Can I say the whole thing once?
Say it again.
Putanajitakam sahamanamugramagnigum huvema paramasnadastat.
Prutanajitagam.
Putanajitakam sahamanamugramagnigum huvema paramasnadastat. Prutanajitagam sahamanamugramagnigum Uvema paramas adastat.
Shiva, right?
Prutanajitagam sahamanamugramagnigum huvema paramat sadastat. Prutanajitagam sahamanamugramagnigum huvema paramat sadastat. Prutanajitagam sahamanamugramagnigum huvema paramat sadastat.
Paramat sadhastat. Sadhastat.
Chandrasekhar ji, is it Jitagam or Jitagum?
Gum. I usually chant as gum. Prutanajitagum, jitagum. Not totally gum, but slight gum. Prutanajitagum. Prakash, right?
Puttanajitagum sahamanamugramagnigum uvema paramat sadhastat. Puttanajitagum sahamanamugramagnigum uvema paramat sadhastat.
Again, right? Prutanajitagum.
Prutanajitagum sahamanamugramagnigum uvema paramat sadhastat.
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 Sumana ji. Sumana ji, do you want to try? Hari Om, Sumana ji. Sure. Okay. स नः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा क्षामद्देवो अतिदुरितात्यग्निः स नः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा क्षामद्देवो अतिदुरितात्यग्निः स नः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा क्षामद्देवो अतिदुरितात्यग्निः
Can you try?
हाँ
You want me to?
right
Sanah parashadati durgani vishvakshamaddevo atiduritatyagnihi Sanah parashadati durgani vishvakshamaddevo atiduritatyagnihi
again
Sanah parshadati durgani vishvakshamaddevo adiduritatyagnihi. One more time. Sanah parshadati durgani vishvakshamaddevo adiduritatyagnihi.
right Krishnan right
सनः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वाक्षामद्देवो अतिदुरितात्यग्निः सनः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वाक्षामद्देवो अतिदुरितात्यग्निः
after Kshamaddevo little bit of a pause because a dirgha followed by another vowel another swara
क्षामद्देवो अति
yep
okay
like that Sanah parshadati durgani vishvakshamaddevo atiduritatyagnihi Shiva right
सनः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वाक्षामद्देवो अतिदुरितात्यग्निः सनः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वाक्षामद्देवो अतिदुरितात्यग्निः सनः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि
विश्वाक्षामद्देवो
अतिदुरितात्यग्निः
Kshamaddevo little only 2 lengths of time
क्षामद्देवो
atiduritatyagnihi
सनः पर्षदति दुर्गाणि विश्वाक्षामद्देवो अतिदुरितात्यग्निः
Sumana ji, you want to try because the last one I think you missed
Yes, sir. I had to be away a little bit. Sorry.
okay
Yeah.
so you didn't hear this maybe you didn't
Yeah, from you I did not hear, but I was
Okay, okay.
hearing others.
okay
Sanah parshadati durgani vishvakshamaddevo atiduritatyagnihi
again Sanah parshadati durgani vishva
Sanah parshadati durgani vishvakshamaddevo atiduritatyagnihi
right Pratnoshi kamidyo advareshu sanachya hota navyascha satsi Pratnoshi kamidyo advareshu sanachya hota navyascha satsi Pratnoshi kamidyo advareshu sanachya hota navyascha satsi Oh, hold on, sorry. Prakash, you didn't do the last one?
No, I did not do it.
Do it. Sorry. Sana parshadati durgani vishva kshama devo atiduritat
Sana parshadati durgani vishwa shama devo ati durita teknihi.
Take your time. Go slow.
Sana parshadati durgani vishwa shama devo ati durita teknihi. Sana parshadati durgani vishwa shama devo ati durita teknihi.
Pratnoshi kamidyo advareshu sanachahota navyascha satsi. Pratnoshi kamidyo advareshu sanachahota navyascha satsi. Krishnan, right?
प्रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच्यहोतानव्यश्च सत्सि प्रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच्यहोतानव्यश्च तत्सि प्रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच्यहोतानव्यश्च तत्सि प्रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच्यहोतानव्यश्च तत्सि.
Kamidyo, there's a little pause after that.
Oh.
Yeah. Continue. Sunita.
Shall I take previous line also, Chandraji? I didn't do it.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay. Sorry. Do it.
Son of Parshadati Durgani Vishwa Kshamat Devo Ati Duritatyagnihi. Son of Parshadati Durgani Vishwa Kshamat Devo Ati Duritatyagnihi.
Son of Parshadati Durgani Vishwa Kshamat Durgani Vishwa.
Son of Parshadati Durgani Vishwa Kshamat Devo Ati Duritatyagnihi. Pratnyoshi Kamidyo. Pratnyoshi Kamidyo Advaresh.
No, only Pratno.
Pratnyoshi.
No, yo. Pratno. Only Pratno.
Pratnyoshi. Pratnyo.
Is it nyo? Is there? Yo is there? No, right? No. In Telugu? I don't have.
Toki na vattundandi.
అవును తోకి నా వత్తు సో త్నో అవుతుంది త్నో మీరు త్నియో త్యో అన్నట్టు వినపడుతుంది
Pratnyo.
You are saying yavattu.
Yeah.
The ya is I'm hearing ya.
Pratnyoshi.
Pratno. P-R-A-T-N-O. Pratno, that's it.
Pratnoshi.
Right.
Okay. Pratnoshi Kamidyo Advareshu sanascha hota navyasya cha satsi. Pratnoshi Kamidyo Advareshu sanascha hota
Advareshu sanascha hota Sanacha.
अध्वरेषु सनाश्च होता
सनाच सनाच
यः
सनाच
सनाच अध्वरेषु सनाच होता नव्यश्च सत्सि प्रक्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच होता नव्यश्च सत्सि
अध्वरेषु I heard अध्वरेषु
शु शु
षण्मुखश अध्वरेषु सनाच होता नव्यश्च सत्सि in the word
रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाश्च होता नव्यश्च सत्सि
सनाच
सनाच रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच होता नव्यश्च सत्सि रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच होता नव्यश्च सत्सि रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच होता नव्यश्च सत्सि
sure
रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच होता नव्यश्च सत्सि रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच होता नव्यश्च सत्सि रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच होता नव्यश्च सत्सि
hota that don't extend too much, only two lengths of time, that is dirgha hota now that Sumana ji
प्रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाश्च होता नव्यश्च सत्सि
Sanacha no only cha Sanacha no sha there
सनाच ओके प्रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच होता नव्यश्च सत्सि होता नव्यश्च सत्सि प्रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच होता नव्यश्च सत्सि Shall I repeat?
repeat
प्रत्नोषि कमीढ्यो अध्वरेषु सनाच होता नव्यश्च सत्सि
right so Sanacha and Navyascha means times Sanatana from times immemorial and as well as Navya Nutana means new even now, even from time immemorial and even now. Sada Nutana Navya means either young or now fresh. You have been extolled. Kamidyo Pratnoshi Kamidyo your Agni. We are extolling the Agni Devata here. In the Advareshu, in the rituals, you have been extolled. From times immemorial, Sanatana, Sanacha, Cha means and Navyascha, Cha. Hota as a priest. Hota. Okay. Come means happiness. Kamidyo. Ed. Come happiness. Okay.
And
Who else?
Satsi means? Navyascha Satsi means?
Satsi. Satsi means Sat means existence. So from there you work it out. Sat.
Something like
Satsi
that.
means you abide. You abide in this here. Something like that.
Something related to that.
Satsi, you be here. Yes, you give us blessings by being here. Satsi. You give us happiness. Come means happiness. Kamidyo. Come. Idya means the word worthy of praise, extolling. Something like that. Okay. Who else? Tindu? Prakash, you do it.
Ratnoshi kamidyo advareshu sanacha hota navyascha satsi. Ratnoshi kamidyo advareshu sanacha hota navyascha satsi.
Again, do once more.
Ratnoshi kamidyo
Take your time. Ratnoshi.
Ratnoshi kamidyo
Kamidyo.
kamidyo advareshu sanacha hota.
After kamidyo, pause because O is a dirgha swara followed by another vowel A. Ratnoshi kamidyo advareshu.
Ratnoshi kamidyo advareshu sanacha hota navyascha satsi.
Navyascha satsi.
Navyascha satsi.
Whenever at the ending of the pada of the line, when there is a swara, you have to extend a little bit more always as a rule. Satsi.
Satsi.
Satsi. Something like that. Okay. Yeah. And the second line of that same mantra. Swancha. Oh, who else didn't do? Sorry. Sumanaji did it?
Yes.
Sumanaji did?
Yeah, yes.
Oh, okay. Swancha agne tanuvam piprayasvasmabhyam cha saubhagamaya jasva. Swancha agne tanuvam piprayasvasmabhyam cha saubhagamaya jasva. Swancha agne tanuvam piprayasvasmabhyam cha saubhagamaya jasva. Saubhagamaya jasva. Saubhagamaya jasva. Swancha agne tanuvam piprayasvasmabhyam cha saubhagamaya jasva. Hindi word, right? Swancha agne.
Swanchagne tanuvam viprayasva swabhyam cha saubhagamajayasva.
Saubhagamaya jasva.
Swanchagne tanuvam viprayasva. So okay, I didn't actually go up. Okay, let me do one more time. Okay. Swanchagne tanuvam viprayasva swabhyam cha saubhagamaya jasva.
Again.
Swanchagne tanuvam viprayasva swabhyam cha saubhagamaya jasva.
Krishnan, right?
Swancha agne tanuvam piprayasvasmabhyam cha saubhagamaya jasva. Swancha agne tanuvam piprayasvasmabhyam cha saubhagamaya jasva.
Viprayasvasmabhyam cha swasmabhyam cha. Na.
Okay. Piprayasvasmabhyancha Swancha Agne Tanvam Piprayasvasmabhyam cha Saubhagamaya Jasva Swancha Agne Tanuvam Piprayasvasmabhyam cha Saubhagamaya Jasva.
Sunita ji.
स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं पिप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च सौभगमायजस्वा स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं पिप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च सौभगमायजस्वा.
Again.
स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं पिप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च सौभगमायजस्वा.
Sure.
स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं पिप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च सौभगमायजस्वा स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं पिप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च सौभगमायजस्वा
Piprayasvasmabhyam cha Piprayasvasmabhyam cha
स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं पिप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च सौभगमायजस्वा.
Sumana ji, you want to say?
Yeah. स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं विप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च सौभगमायजस्व स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं विप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च सौभगमायजस्व स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं विप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च सौभगमायजस्व.
Right. Prakash ji.
स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं विप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च सौभागमयाजस्वा
Saubhagamaya-jasva. Saubhagam means Saubhagyam means prosperity. Saubhagya. Saubhagam. Here is Saubhagam. Welfare.
सौभगमाजयस्वा
Saubhagamaya-jasva. Ayajasva. If we will split it, Saubhagam Ayajasva means give us completely, totally. Ayajasva. Saubhagamaya-jasva. Do that. Saubhagamaya-jasva.
सौभगमायजस्वा.
Now try again. Swancha-agne.
स्वाञ्चाग्ने
Tanuvam.
तनुवं
Swancha-agne tanuvam.
स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं
Viprayasvasmabhyam cha.
विप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च
Saubhagamaya-jasva.
सौभगमायजस्वा.
Try it again.
स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं
Viprayasvasmabhyam cha.
विप्रयस्वास्मभ्यं च सौभगमायजस्वा.
Piprayasva. Make us happy or satiate, something like that. O Agni, Swam, your own Tanuvam body. Agni, O Agni, you're addressing Agni, right? Piprayasva asmabhyancha. It can be two meanings. Either satiate your own body, right? Something like that, or we who are in your own form, like your own form, make us happy and give us welfare. Saubhagam ayajasva, completely, totally. Okay. गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तन्तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तन्तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम. Right. Krishnan.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषित्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
Nu has a anudata. Vishnuranu.
Vishnu. No as Anudata. Vishnu. Yeah.
But Nu has anudata or no?
Yes. Nu also has Anudata. Ranu Sancharema.
Vishnuranu Sancharema. Gobhirjushtamayujo nishit.
Gobhirjushtamayujo nishiktam.
Gobhirjushtamayujo nishittam tavendra. What is that? Nishittam.
That na should come, but fine. Nishittam, if you are saying, continue. When you Gobhirjushtamayujo nishittam tavendra viష్णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
Gobhirjushtamayujo nishittam tavendra. Gobhirjushtamayujo nishittam tavendra viष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम. Gobhirjushtamayujo nishittam tavendra. Gobhirjushtamayujo nishittam tavendra viष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम. Gobhirjushtamayujo nishittam tavendra viष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
Individual.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम. गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
Do it again.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम. गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
Sunita.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम. गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं
Jushta.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम
Nishiktam, instead of tam, that na if it comes, it will be better.
Okay.
Shiva do it.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
Again, you don't prolong too much. You are going to Pluta. Pluta means, hey Rama, Vishnu, don't. It is Pluta. Because when you're in Bhakti Vasham, you say Rama. Don't. Only two lines of that.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
And Tavendra Vishnu. Immediately go to V. Tavendra Vishnu. Don't take too much of gap of it. Tavendra. You're saying that. Immediately go to Vishnu. Gobhirjushtamayujo nishiktam Tavendra Vishnu Ranusancharema. Try.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
Vishnu going on. Vishnu Ranusancharema. Like that. Okay. Anusanchara means we follow you in your footsteps. We follow in your footsteps. Vishnu, oh all pervading. Vishnu. Here Vishnu has come. Vishnu means all pervading, right?
Okay.
Even though we're talking, even though it is Durga Suktam, right? Vishnu, all pervading. Indra, again Indra has come here. Indra means not that Indra, the Lord. Lord's name also is Indra, right? Okay. So different names for the same Ishvara entity. Okay, Gobhirjushta. Who? Sumana ji tried.
Yes. गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम. गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
Ranusancharema.
विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
Ranusancharema. Vishnu Ranusancharema. I think I'm hearing Ranusancharema. Something like that I'm hearing. Vishnu Ranusancharema.
विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम.
Right.
गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम. Is that correct?
A little bit again. Ranusancharema. Something like that. It is coming. Vishnu Ranusancharema. Ranusancharema. That's it.
Vishnoranusancharema.
Right. Okay. Gobhir Jushtam. Ayujo means untainted. Means asanga. You are as though here, but you are untainted. So, but we follow you. Right? So, Gobihi means cows. Wealth in the form of cows. Means from prosperity. Right? Cattle. Nishiktam, flooded. Okay. Prakash, you tried.
Gobhirjushtamayujo nishiktam tavendra Vishnu Ranusancharema. गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजो निषिक्तं तवेन्द्र विष्णो तनुसञ्चरेम.
You were a little bit slow this time, so it came out well, but still you have to work on it. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्. Vaishnaveem is there, right? So it is a Vaishnaveelo. Instead of pronouncing veem, Vaishnaveeloka iha madayanta. So many people say Vaishnaveem loka, but then the la is there after the anuswara. Vaishnaveeloka. It has to come. Nakasya prishtamabhisamvasano Vaishnaveeloka iha madayantam. Krishnan.
नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्.
नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्. लोक इह मादयन्ताम्.
नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्.
Yeah. So you wanted to chant until you have perfected it.
I'm sorry, it took more turns.
Okay, good. You got it. I'm the one, right?
नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्.
Again.
नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्. संवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्.
Yeah. Sunita.
नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवीं लोक इह मादयन्ताम्.
Again.
नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवील्लोक इह मादयन्ताम्.
Shiva.
नाकस्य पृष्ठमभि संवसानो वैष्णवीलोक इह मादयन्ताम्.
Vaishna sha shanmukasha ana Vaishnaviloka
नाकस्य पृष्ठमभि संवसानो वैष्णवीलोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभि संवसानो वैष्णवीलोक
Vaishnavil. That when because there is anuswara, right? We are not saying totally veem. Vaishnaviloka viloka. Try that.
वैष्णवीलोक इह मादयन्ताम्.
Vaishnaviloka viloka. Try again.
नाकस्य पृष्ठमभि संवसानो वैष्णवीलोक मादयन्ताम्.
Vaishnavi means the Devi or the all-pervasive one. Serving Vaishnavi could be we are serving the all-pervasive Lord. Or Devi in the form of the all-pervading Devi, you can say that. Okay. Okay. Sumana, try. Oh, Sumana ji.
Looks like she left.
Oh, okay. Prakash ji, try.
नाकस्य पुष्टमभि संवसानो वैष्णवीलोक इह मादयन्ताम्.
Nakasya prishtamabhi samvasano. Take your time. Nakasya
पुष्टमभि संवसानो वैष्णवीलोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पुष्टमभि संवसानो वैष्णवीलोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पुष्टमभि संवसानो वैष्णवीलोक इह मादयन्ताम्.
Prishtam means above. Samvasanaha means dwelling. Where Naka, Nakam, what is it? Nakam. They say Nakam, right? Heaven. A dwelling in the heaven. So Nakam. Kam means we have seen happiness, right? Akam means Dukkam. Nakam, absence of Dukkam. Is a nice word, Nakam. Kam, happiness. Akam, Dukkam, misery. Absence of unhappiness. That is, you are there. That is your state, you are saying. Which is our state also. Right? So, our real state is Nakam. Absence of Dukkam. Sumana, you wanted to try? Did you?
Yeah, sorry, I just got a call at the same time, so it got disconnected. Yeah.
Oh, is it? You are on the phone? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's why you should be on the laptop.
Right, yeah. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभि संवसानो वैष्णवीलोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभि संवसानो वैष्णवीलोक इह मादयन्ताम्. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभि संवसानो वैष्णवीलोक इह मादयन्ताम्. One more time. नाकस्य पृष्ठमभि संवसानो वैष्णवीलोक इह मादयन्ताम्.
Right. So Nakam. You'll see. So you are dwelling there. Abhi samvasanaha. So okay, madayanta, make us happy. It is a prayer. Okay, this is all. Last you want to do, yeah, the Gayatri, Durga Gayatri, the last line. Om Katyayanaaya Vidmahe Kanyakumari Dhimahi Tanno Durgih Prachodayat. Om Katyayanaaya Vidmahe Kanyakumari Dhimahi Tanno Durgih Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. You can chant Katyayana with me. You want to chant? Okay. Sundarji.
ॐ कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारि धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गिः प्रचोदयात् ॐ कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारि धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गिः प्रचोदयात्
Katyayana means this, the daughter of Katya in one of her incarnations, right? Parvati Devi. Kanyakumari, Uma Devi. Tanno Durgih Prachodayat. Inspire us. Prachodayat. Okay. This, you want to chant? Okay. Krishnan, try. Chant.
The Gayatri. ॐ कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारि धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गिः प्रचोदयात् ॐ कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारि धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गिः प्रचोदयात्.
Yeah. So inspire us to, or give us buddhi to understand everything in its right perspective. So this is a prayer. Others also want to chant?
Can I say it
Like to
once?
chant the entire one, entire thing.
Chant.
Yeah.
Hindi what chant?
Om Katyayanaaya. Yeah. Om Katyayanaaya Vidmahe Kanyakumari Dhimahi Tanno Durgih Prachodayat.
Katyayanaya.
Katyayanaaya Vidmahe Kanyakumari Dhimahi Tanno Durgih Prachodayat.
Shiva, try it.
कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारि धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गिः प्रचोदयात्
Tanno Durgih Fa should come. Tanno Durgih Prachodayat. That Fa after Visarga. Durgih.
कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारि धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गिः प्रचोदयात्
Prachodayat. Dayat. Sumnaji, try it.
ॐ कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारि धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गिः प्रचोदयात् ॐ कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारि धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात्.
Prakash, you try.
ॐ कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात्. ॐ कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात्.
So, finished. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Saturday we are going to start new one.
We can. Yeah. Or we can revise. See if everybody is chanting properly. All the three can do that, or we can go to new one.
Okay. And Kartik Masa is just 3 more months away, so we should be able to complete Rudram also before that.
It's okay. You should not rush. We can't complete.
Okay, so it will become next year, Kartik Masa.
No, we'll try. Rudram will take 3 to 4 months. Okay. So what? So I do 2. So Nava, Sindhu, right? All these 2-3 times it comes. Puscha Prithvi Bahulana Urvi Bhava Toka Yatanaya Yashiyo Vishwanino Durga Jataveda Sindhunna Nava Duritati Parishi. Make us cross this Sindhu, this Samsara Dukkha Sagar, being a boat as a Nava. Are you watching Guruji's online talks on Guru Paduka Stotram? Also it comes, right? Ananta Samsara Samudratara Naukayitabhyam. Naukayitabhyam. So even the Guru's Padukas are also like Nauka. They're a boat. Right? In fact, this body also is a boat. They say. So we have to use this body-mind complex as a boat to cross the ocean of samsara, they say. But then what we have mistaken this body, we have made this body-mind complex a samsara. Instead of making it a boat, you have made it a samsara. That's what they say, right? If you're seeing the talk, Guruji was saying. So the distinction you have to make first. The boundaries have to be demarcated. So this is just the boat. I am using it to cross the ocean. So we are praying to Durga Devi to give us that strength to understand the distinction, right? Atma, Anatma, Nitya, Anitya distinction, to give us that buddhi to cross this ocean of this Dukkha Sagaram or Samsara Sagaram. Shall we revise on Saturday all the 3? What do you think? Purusha
Yeah, we'll
Suktam,
revise, sir.
Purusha Suktam, Veda Sukta, and Durga Sukta.
Yeah.
See if everybody is on the same page.
Yeah. I think that's a good.
And then go to maybe.
That'll be good. Yeah, I agree.
Maybe for Purusha Suktam we can devote more time because it's a little longer. Maybe 40 minutes, and then remaining for Durga Suktam and Veda Suktam. Then we can go to Kalyan wanted Sri Suktam, right? I wanted to do Narayana Suktam, but we can do Sri Suktam next Thursday. Okay.